Hi, welcome everyone. I'm Matt McGuire, the Market MacGyver, and today is special because I woke up this morning and I just had a craving for a remanufactured transmission. I know you're going to love today because when we're done, you are going to know the updates and upgrades that ETE Reman makes to its fully remanufactured 4L80E families of transmissions. Let's start with some ingredients we're going to need. First, I always start with some updated case connectors and an updated pigtail harness. On pre-1994 models, we've updated the case connector to the latest design, and an updated pigtail harness means connection worries are no more. Next, we introduce a fully remanufactured valve body complete with recalibration kit to our mix that will improve pressure control and shift quality, while the updated actuator feed limit valve prevents missing shifts and premature clutch failure. And an upgraded 34-element intermediate sprag means increased hold capacity to give your transmission a fun little spice. Whoa, that smells incredible already. On a sprayed baking sheet, all new shift solenoids, updated force motor, and upgraded pressure regulator means the 4L80E's job is a piece of cake. An EPC solenoid that's independently tested means your internal pressures stay under control. We also fixed a pesky GM flaw by installing a no walkout rear case bushing, so no more worrying about damaging the case, output shaft, or drying your dish out in the oven. We cooked for an hour covered and uncovered for a half hour. Our transmission should be done any minute. There it is. Wheel it in. Whew, that's the smell of remanufactured reliability. So when you need a 4L80 that's OE quality or better, ETE Reman is a 5-course meal you'll be sure to remember.